Hi, in this video we will discuss bypass transfer switches and their applications. A bypass transfer switch is a manual switch and an automatic switch in the same enclosure. This configuration allows facility owners to service the automatic transfer switch without disrupting power to the loads. Therefore, the bypass transfer switch adds redundancy to the power system, and this is typically required in critical life support systems and standby power situations, calling for system maintenance with no power disruptions. Under normal conditions, the power flows through the automatic transfer switch and not the manual mechanism. When service is needed to the automatic transfer switch, either regular maintenance or after a fault, the operator bypasses the switch to the available source only. The bypass transfer switch has mechanical and electrical interlocks to prevent the operator from bypassing to a de-energized source. The operator can rack the automatic transfer switch mechanism to the test position and perform basic control testing. The operator can also rack the mechanism to the isolated position to completely remove the automatic transfer switch for cleaning or measuring the contact resistance or performing any other testing or repairs that might be needed. Let's demonstrate this operation. Let's say we want to test the automatic transfer switch mechanism and control without disrupting power to the loads. The first step is to bypass to the available source. It is a two-step action. Turn the key and move the handle at the same time. Also notice that currently the automatic transfer switch is connected and the manual is open. The power is flowing through the automatic transfer switch only and not the manual switch. As mentioned earlier, you can only bypass to the source that's available. Source 2 is not available. If I try to bypass to source 2, I will not be able to do so. Now we will turn the key to normal, which is the utility, and move the handle to bypass to normal. Notice how the transfer switch is no longer an auto. The power is split evenly, passing through the automatic and manual transfer switch to the load. Now let us rack the automatic transfer switch to the test position. While lifting the draw-out release, we turn the handle counterclockwise. We can release the draw-out lever and continue rotating until we see that draw-out position is in test. Now we can test the mechanism and control by holding the test button for 2 seconds. The generator set starts, and when the power from the generator is acceptable, the automatic transfer switch transfers to the generator set. Now the control is going through configurable preset time delays before transferring to the emergency source. It is important to note that the power is not flowing through the automatic transfer switch. The power is only flowing through the manual transfer switch. Let us take the system out of test by holding the test button for 2 seconds. The control is going through configurable preset time delays before transferring back to the normal source. We just proved that the mechanism and control are functional. If we lift the draw-out lever and continue turning the handle counterclockwise, the ATS moves to the isolated position where we can perform additional testing. And now we're in the isolated position. That's all for the bypass transfer switch. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will discuss UL1008 short circuit withstand and closing rating.